po siya or nagiging compatible sila.
So, what is DefTech Marikina up to?
Our team is preparing for a lot of competitions, especially this coming dates. We have Baguio, okay, Nakai Raptors Cup, and after that, we're gonna go to the Worlds for Japan, ASJJF, and after that, right away, we're gonna head to Baguio again for another ASJJF here in the Philippines, and then straight to the what do you call this? The art, the FOPA. Yeah, the FOPA ASJJF again. Art. Yeah, so it's really a busy, busy months.
So, how's your students here, especially the kids?
The kids have been progressing a lot faster now. They've been doing a lot of drills, that will help their game. Okay, I think they're by the time competition starts, they're really prepared, and same as the adults.
So, what is the edge of DefTech Marikina right now?
I think we just keep grinding, every day, just keep doing repeating the grind, training every day, do the personal life, school, work, but still no excuses for training.
Foot brake.
Lagay niya nito.
Throttle. Kahagi.
Okay, we can have